Hi guys, welcome to another video on Binance tutorial. So I'll quickly touch on how to deposit money into your Binance wallet using P2P trading. So we start with P2P trading here. We click on it. Now it's important you have your Naira or your currency in Naira here. It should be in Naira there. So if it's not in Naira, click that edge and search for NGN and select it. Now there are the easiest way or the cheapest way to deposit Naira, I'll say is best you should choose the Naira fiat itself. You could use USDT, but right now the rate of USDT to Naira is cheaper than what most of these people are offering. They are offering 466, 468, 469, yeah, but in the app it is around 438 the last time I checked. 438 USDT, so it is cheaper. So we'll ignore that and click NGN here. Now, because of our shitty government, people are overpricing Naira. So they are buying Naira at 1 Naira and 6 kobo. 1 Naira 6 kobo, 1 Naira 6 kobo. So that's the issue. And another thing you should notice is that most people have their limit. This man here says he only accepts deposit of 5,000 and deposit of 6,000. From 5,000 to 6,000, 910. That's his own limit. This offers from at least 5,000 then to at most 217, and so on and so forth. So let's choose one that can allow us deposit much. So we choose this guy. Allows deposit 5,000, then at most 217, and is also the cheapest. It has been sorted to show you the cheapest to the highest. There are people that charge as high as 140, $1 Naira 40 kobo, which is just too ridiculous. So we click buy. To understand how this high rates and our users government is, let's say I want to deposit 10,000 or have 10,000. This is the quantity I will get, 9,433, because he is selling it at 1 Naira 6 kobo. Now that's just before. If you are depositing 10,000, you will get your exact value, 10,000 minus the bank rate and the deposit rate, which is 150 naira. So if you are ready, you click buy. So if you are ready, you click buy. You will see to get the buyer's details, you click here. Click here, then you see the order number and the rest. Then the terms: fast payment, please pay to UBA for now. It's only accepting UBA payments. So you click on payment method to see where it will pay to, then click down there. So these are his names. He said he's only accepting payment to UBA because GT Bank had issues, so people were not receiving a lot. So he said don't pay to GT, but you can pay to his UBA. So you copy this account number. You copy the account number and then the bank, then you make your transfer. Once you've made your transfer, you will click on transfer funds. So once you click on transfer funds, it will take you to where you make payments. Now, he sent me a message very fast, please play on it to UBA, but I am not going to make payment. I just wanted to show you guys. I did make payment earlier but to PayPal, but PayPal is quite slow. You can call the person here, or you can send the person a message, instant message. And the way Binance works, once you start making payments, it holds the funds for you. It holds it, so it is secured. And once you make payment and the seller confirms it, the money will be released by Binance, not by the seller. The seller just needs to confirm that you are getting the money. If it doesn't confirm, Binance will contact you to ask if truly you have sent the money, and you should show your receipt. Then from there they'll make the transfer for you yourself by themselves. So that's it, but I'm not making payments. I will have to cancel. Not to cancel. So you have to be careful. Canceling orders 3 times a day will restrict your ability to trade for the rest of the day. So this is my first time, so I have to confirm and cancel. Yep. So that's it basically. Then once your money enters, it will show in your P2P wallet. So you go to wallet once you've made your transfer. So once you made your transfer, you click on wallet. Now, sorry, I had to hide my balance. Then you come down here to P2P. And when you click on P2P, it will show you the amount you have received, whether you made a USDT transfer, BTC, BUSD, BUNB, or even Naira. You received Naira. So the money will show here. Then from here you can transfer the money to your trading account. So you click transfer. Here you see your P2P wallet. Then this is your trading wallet. So if you have money, it will show here. You click max and the max amount you want to transfer, and then you come here and transfer your money. So that's it. I hope this is easy for you. If you have any issue, you can contact me. Thank you.